Hey fams, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. Today we are starting off in the foyer. I still do have some things to complete in the dining room. One more thing and then it's going to be a dining room tour. But I wanted to start off here in the foyer and I'm starting off with my brand new bookshelf. I showed it to you guys in my haul. And I am so excited to have this bookshelf right back where it started. Many of you know from, if you're, been watching my channel for a while, I did have a bookshelf here last year prior to us trying to sell our home. And that was a whole debacle. But I did have a bookshelf here, and for the longest, once we moved back in, I was like, okay, I'm going to change it up, do something different, but it just never sat right with me. And having this bookshelf right here, it's like the perfect thing for this space. It's the perfect piece of furniture for this area right here, because I do have like some light switches right there, and anything that I would put there would just completely block it. So this is so perfect because I can literally just put my hand under and turn off and on the switches. So I am so excited about this bookshelf. But more than that, I am excited to be decorating a bookshelf again. I love to style bookshelves, hutches, anything like that. I feel like my greatest creativity comes out when I can style bookshelves. So as you see here, I'm going for the maximal but simple, if that makes sense. But I wanted to add lots of rustic touches and classic details as well. So I hope that you guys, are enjoying this video so far and that you will watch from beginning to end.
On this cold December day, we are on our merry way, riding along, just singing a song, barreling through the snow. Bells are jingling, snowflakes tingling, Rudolph knows where to go. On this cold December day, I am piloting my sleigh. The work to be done on my Christmas run is the most tired chore. No girl or boy without a toy, so giddy up, Rudolph, my dear. 8 pair of antennas, onwards ever go. This cold December day, on this cold December day.
My dear, the forecast ain't clear, so will you please light
So as you can see, it's a lot of mind changing in this video. Decorating a bookshelves is one of my favorite things to do, but it's also one of the most exhausting thing to do because you're constantly changing and moving and shifting things because it's out in the opening. You can see it, it's not covered up by a door or anything like that. So you can see everything. So you want each shelf to be beautiful and you want there to be balance. And so I always go with the rule of three. I always go with the triangular method, and trying to figure that out is sometimes so frustrating because you're trying to put things in places that in your mind you think will look nice, but then once you do it, you're like, oh yeah, that doesn't look right there. So you have to try to find other things. And then I am not trying to use little things like, little small pieces. I'm trying to go for big pieces. And that was quite difficult as well because a lot of the pieces that I do have are smaller pieces, but they still have some pizzazz to it. It packs a punch. So definitely decorating a bookshelf is exhausting, but I love the way that it turned out.
I said, Rudolph, my friend, once more will you lend?
Also, I wanted to mention the frames that you guys see in this episode. Those are actually frames that I had. I thrifted those frames. There's going to be another one with Santa Claus in it. And I thrifted those frames years ago. But what I did was for every season, I change out the pictures and everything. So I got these beautiful, one of them is like I guess a vinyl material, and then the other one is just regular paper stock. I got it from Amazon with, the Christmas details, Christmas pictures on them, and I just put them in the frame, and it turned out so beautiful. I'm actually going to be doing a gallery wall with a lot of the pictures that I got from Amazon, and y'all, I got like 6 or 7 pictures in a packet for like $12, and they just look so beautiful. As you can see, it's very vintage, very classic, and I just love the details on them. You're going to get to see them up close, but I just love the way they turn out. But I am going to be doing a gallery wall in my kitchen, and you'll get to see all of them together. But I love the way that it turned out, and it just adds it adds an attitude, look at it. I mean, it's just so beautiful. It's simple, but it's classic and it's beautiful. And I love the frame that it's in, and it just adds such a beautiful touch to this area. So that's a tip for you guys. If you are looking for Christmas photos or whatever season we're in, Amazon is the way to go. You can always get them in packets, of multiples for next to nothing, you guys. Or you can go on Google and just get them for free, download the pictures and print them off yourself, which is what I do as well. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video, and I'm going to be adding some tea lights to these little houses. I just didn't have any at the time, but I love the way that this turned out. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video and that you can take away some ideas and tips, some hacks from this video for your own decorating spaces. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Remember that Jesus is Lord. He loves you and I love you too, and that He is the reason for the season. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.
The red nose or heaven knows how this sleigh ride will end. Rudolph, my man, you're the only one who can save the day. Say yea or nay. Now will you pull my sleigh? Rudolph. Now don't you act so coy. Let us go and fill all the little children's hearts with joy. Rudolph, my dear, you know the forecast ain't clear. So will you please light the way and lead old Santa sleigh? Yeah, lead old Santa sleigh. Come on and lead old Santa sleigh. Hey, let's do it one more time.